A new feature called Recycle Bin has been introduced in Power Apps. Using this feature, admins can restore the deleted records. To look at those deleted records, admin will need to go to Power Platform Environment Settings and then to Data Management, and this is the new preview feature, View Deleted Records. Click on this and it shows us the list of all deleted records. Currently it has nothing, so I'll create a new account and will delete it to create that sample data. Okay, record created. I'll refresh. I've got the record here. If I delete it and confirm to delete, the record is deleted from this list and it should now appear in deleted records. Here admins can select it and they get the restore option. If we restore and click on it, record is restored to its original location. So that's a very useful feature, brings a lot of peace of mind to users and admins that records can be restored even if mistakenly deleted. To activate this feature, we'll need to go to Power Platform Admin Center, select your environment and under settings, product, features, alright, scroll down to the end, it says Recycle Bin Preview feature and that is enabled for Dataverse. I have kept it enabled. Can be configured for how many days or time interval we need to keep those deleted records available. Now this would mean that all tables will start saving their deleted records, which can in some cases take a lot of space in Dataverse. So to handle that, at entity level we can make this choice, which entity type when deleted the record goes to the recycle bin and which does not. For example, if I look at account entity and go to properties, advanced option, you see the new option enable recycle bin. That's why the recycle bin and restore option is enabled for accounts. We can deactivate and accounts will be deleted permanently right on the first confirmation.